Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you for the month of January. Okay, let's see what are the messages for Cancerians for the month of January. So we have the Hierophant, the Moon, and the Four of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Three of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the High Priestess, the Five of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, so here we have the Hierophant, the Moon, and the Four of Pentacles. So Cancerians, what I feel here is that there is a confusion or some sort of uncertainty, or things are not very open regarding a situation which seems to be a commitment, a relationship, or a marriage. That's what I feel. So there is a situation over here in which you are closed off. Okay, and maybe you are closed off, or you're holding on to something just because things are perhaps not clear in this situation. You are trying to analyze it by using your intuition, but still there is there is a lack of clarity in this situation, and this points towards some sort of a commitment or longevity, or some sort of traditional value, something traditional. So to me it sounds like a relationship or a commitment or marriage, something of that sort. Okay, but there is, because of the lack of clarity in this situation or in this commitment, or maybe where you stand, or whatever the situation is, you are closed off or retreated. That's what I feel. Or you're holding on to things perhaps, or hiding your feelings, whatever, something of that sort. So you're not opening up basically in the situation because of the lack of clarity. Okay, and that situation is something which is stable, it is authoritative for some of you, it is something long-term commitment, something parallel to marriage. That's what I'm trying to say. And then we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. So here things are going to change, and there is a new beginning coming in over here with a new emotional beginning, about a new beginning in love perhaps. Okay, otherwise it is definitely a new beginning regarding which you are emotional. So things are going to change here with the Three of Pentacles being there. Maybe it's like getting together of people. Maybe you talk, and you talk about this situation itself, and things get clear. It can be that, and once this clarity is solved, then maybe there is a new beginning in love. It can be that also. So definitely there is a new beginning, beautiful new beginning over here. Okay, and it can be things change, and there is a conversation perhaps here, or getting together of people somehow, with the Moon, three people here, and the Three of Pentacles here. Somehow I feel it's like getting together and talking and opening up sort of, and then coming to some sort of a, like, removing your doubts, your misunderstanding, something of that sort. Okay, it seems to be something of that sort. But whatever this teamwork is, whatever this collaboration is, if not what I am saying regarding some misunderstanding or not, it can be a teamwork or a getting together for some other reason. But whatever this collaboration is, things are changing. Whatever this collaboration or this tie-up is, it is bringing a brand new beginning basically. Okay, then we have the High Priestess, the Five of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. So somehow what I feel is, regarding this Ace of Cups, whatever this new beginning is, there is some sort of a confusion over here. There is some sort of disagreement, some sort of a confusion over here in your mind as to, perhaps this confusion is, will this Ace of Cups become my Nine of Cups? Okay, will this be a long-term thing? Will it lead to some sort of a fruition? Will it lead to long-term stability or a commitment, something of that sort? And what I feel here is that this is the question in your mind which you are trying to think and analyze within yourself. Okay, with the High Priestess being there, so this is something which you are trying to understand. Is this new beginning a long-term one, or again it will be broken, something of that sort? If it was this teamwork or misunderstandings or scenario. So this is the what the confusion is, but somehow we do have the Nine of Cups here. What I feel here is that even though the confusion is there, you will be following your intuition, you will move intuitively in this situation, and it will reach your Nine of Cups. You will reach your wish fulfillment, and you will realize that yes, this new beginning is actually a long-term one, and is going to give you a lot of happiness in spite of the questions which you may be having in your mind. Let's see what is the message from this deck. The Queen of Hearts. So definitely a lot of spiritual healing and is wanted. Okay, you should take care of the fact that you do your meditation, your spiritual cleansing, and things, be in touch with nature and stuff like that. So focus on your own self, focus on your healing. Okay, so Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.